Welcome to lab 4. We're going to be doing the coagulation and flocculation lab. In the lab lecture video, we should have talked about the fundamentals and the mechanisms behind coagulation and flocculation. And we will simulate that with the jar testing. Rapid mixing of the jars will we'll simulate the coagulation process in a drinking water facility, and the slower mixing speed will represent the flocculation process. In the lab lecture, we should have talked about how to calculate the dilutions for adding coagulant. So this is a 5 gram per liter ferric chloride stock solution. We're going to be adding no coagulant to the first one, 20 milligrams per liter, 30 milligrams per liter, 40 milligrams per liter, 50 milligrams per liter. Again, using the dilution equation, you can calculate the volume of coagulant you need to add. So I will go ahead and do that. So again, no coagulant here. Here we're going to be adding 20 milligrams per liter. $40 milligrams per liter. That was 30, this is 40 milligrams per liter. And 50 milligrams per liter. So this is, the water we're using here is just tap water with added clay to simulate the turbidity. And once we are done with the process, you will measure the pH and alkalinity for each jar. So we'll go ahead and start the test by running 2 minutes of rapid mix at 100 RPM. Set a timer for 2 minutes. Again, with this rapid mixing, the positive ferric ions in the coagulant will interact with the negatively charged colloids and destabilize the charges so that flocks can begin to form after rapid mixing is complete. Start to see a little bit of the differences between the doses as the ferric chloride adds this yellow tinge, and we see more yellow as the coagulant, the concentration increases from 20, 30, 40, 50. So for this demo, we're just doing ferric chloride, but in the lab, your group will collect data for both ferric chloride and alum as coagulants. And in your lab report, you will plot the pH and alkalinity changes for the doses of each coagulant we compare. And that is 2 minutes. So now we will decrease the speed down to 30 RPM for 20 minutes. So it'll be at this speed for 20 minutes. So you can already kind of start to see these flocks forming. It'll be at this speed for 20 minutes, and then we will stop mixing, take out the paddles, and allow everything to settle for 30 minutes.